Hey guys, welcome back to Telugu Option Trader. Today, let's see my intraday positions. And yesterday I didn't trade anything as there is a no trading day for the purpose of SEBI margin rules. And yes, today I have taken many bullshit trades. Everything has gone wrong. And let me show you my positions. Actually, today morning I have took 36 500 straddles, as you can see. Morning 36 500, this one and this one, both these have hit my stop losses, and they have, I mean, I have put a 30% stop loss on both sides as a systematic trading. But what happened is, put side, it has just within 5 minutes the put side stop loss has been hit, and I think after 1 or 1.5 hour, call side also hit. So I took a huge loss there, almost like 7k I think. And then after I have taken 36 600 straddles, and I have exited that 36 600 also. And for the hedging purpose I have done 36 400 puts, 4 lots I have shorted, as my put 36 500 here, the put has been, I have written right, this one. For that purpose I have shorted 36 400, as you can see the sell order right one here. I will show you in my position book. And the MTM is swinging like anything right now. And because of that hedging only I have got almost like 2.5k, or else it would be around another 9k loss. And now I have took a 4 lots of 36 800 straddles, hoping that market will be in a range bound for at least 1 hour. Just 1 hour is enough for me, so that I will come with a minimum loss for at least 2 or 3k. I'm not expecting any profits today, because the mistake is from my side, so nothing can be done today. And these are all the positions. And I need to show you another position in my angel broking account, right? Yeah, here is this position. This position is running at I have taken a bullish view in angel broking account. I have sold 36 700 put options 2, and 36 700 call option only 1, and it's been all around 6000 profit here. But I won't compensate both the accounts. I mean, it is separate and that is separate one. So let's wait. So after just 10 minutes, I think after half an hour, I have taken 36,700 straddles because of a technical. I mean, there is a here you can see, right, the 20 MA has been broken out, so that's why I have taken 36 700 straddle here. But now market is being reversing. Let's see what happens. But the open interest is heavily built at 36,800 call options. So I'm also looking it as a resistance. If it breaks, I need to face some loss. So let's see what happens, and let me show the uh, positions and also the profit and loss. As you can see here, just after within 10 minutes I have taken, right. After that it has been given me a loss of almost like 1000 rupees, but it's okay. I have taken it for my protection only, because if the market slides down, I may need to go for I may need to square up my put positions, but the calls won't give that much profit. I mean, it won't give me cushion. Yeah, the time is now 2:30. All my expectations have gone wrong. Actually the bank nifty has broken 36 800, and the writers are also unwinding a little bit. Now the contracts have been reduced actually. Okay, and the positions have gone into loss, actually a huge loss, not a huge loss, but actually 3 minutes back it's almost like 7k loss. Now it's been roaming at 6000. And my enemy is now that at 36,700, which I thought it will be acting as a cushion, but it acts as a nickel for me right now. Okay, if I didn't taken this position, maybe at least a 2.5k might be recovered, but because of this position now the loss has been increased. I mean, not increasing, the loss is being sustained there itself. If any further big move on upside will definitely create a big trouble for me right now, as the premiums are like shooting like rockets in call options, right, for the downside. But you have taken 36700, it will protect somewhat. I mean, not it, at least it may give 20% cushion to hold my positions if the market moves downwards also. If market is moving upside and it's consolidating at 36800, that is the best for us, because we have 4 lots of straddles there, which may give good profits at last. So let's watch and wait. It's like now wait and watch scenario. Just we need to wait. If there is any significant up move, then definitely I need to move my positions. I mean, I need to at least I need to short, I think, in the money put options, so that there will be a little bit of cushioning for my positions. So the time is now 3:07. Just 5 minutes update. Actually, the market has consolidating for last half an hour, and that last half an hour has given a profit of at least, I think, maybe 3k to 4k. As you can see, the loss has been reduced up to 900. So what I was trying to do is I will book everything. This loss is acceptable for me, and I am squaring off all the positions. And yes, orders has been placed. We need to check whether the net quantity is 0 or not. Yes, it's 0. Yes, so no problem. And we have booked a loss of almost 900 rupees for this week. Oh, wait a minute, here I have booked the loss, right? But in angel broking, I have booked almost 6k. Oh, it's running 8000, but it's not 8000, sorry. I need to refresh once. Yeah, this is the profit. This is the ongoing profit right now. Actually, I have squared off all my positions. This bank nifty, this carry forward is I want to take 2 lots in nifty, but it didn't allow me to take 2 lots, as there is a margin shortfall of almost 3000. So what I did is, so let me take bank nifty straddles and strangles, sorry. And I have taken the bank nifty strangles legs. As you can see here, I will show the graph, I mean, the profit and loss graph, and also the positions in Upstra account, because here it will be clumsy, but in Upstra we can see very clearly. And the market is consolidating for half an hour. Yeah, this has given a profit of almost, I think, 4.5k to 4 to 5k. Yeah, this is the profit that has given the last half an hour consolidation. And this is welcome, guys. Let me share some of my mistakes that I have done today, so that it may help in future. And also, by sharing it, I will also know that whatever the mistakes I have done, so that I won't repeat once again. Okay. Morning I have said, right, I have taken the 36500 straddles, and after the straddles, both the sides the stop loss has been hit. I have said that what also, right? And after hitting that, I should have taken a straddle, and again I should have put a stop loss at stop loss for the same another straddle. I mean, wherever the market it is, it may be at 36600 or 700, whatever it is, and I should have kept the stop loss. But what I have done is, I have done on my own strategy. I mean, whatever I know before, whatever I have been doing before, that I have done today also. But it has given a profit somewhat. The morning stop loss has hit, right? It's almost like 8k loss with the hedging positions. That is number one mistake I have done today. And number two is that I have keep rolling the buying positions because I have fear that what if the market moves against me in the sense, what if the market moves aggressively up or down. So what I have done is I have taken like number of see here, you can see here, right, 36,900. We don't need this much of quantity. I think I have taken double the quantity of the sold options for the hedging purpose, which take me almost my 3k to 4k profits, not this 3k. And also here you can see, right, 12 quantity, these are all not required actually. Here it should be a sold option that is giving profits, but I have in the afternoon session I have bought, which made me a loss. Okay, so the penny mistakes I have done today, that have taken me a 3 to 4k of my profits. So don't let your hedge positions keep on rolling. Keep rolling your profitable positions, that are sold positions, so that we will be in profits for long term. What I have done, I told, right, I have kept on buying the positions in the name of fear, so that I won't be losing. But trust me guys, if the market moves more than 1%, the hedge positions really gives us the profit. In the most scenarios, the market won't move 1% or 2% on the expiry days, because everyone knows, everyone has sold the options, so they won't let the markets to move that aggressively. But in some cases it moves, in that cases only we will be in profit. In every other times we will be losing, right. This is the case what happened today. And I kept on losing almost like 3 to 4k on the buying options, which made me a loss of almost 1000. If I have not rolled the buying options, I would have been in at least 3 to 4k profit. And the good thing I have done today is, after hitting the stop loss, I have take 36,600 only 2 lots, because already there is a risk of I have lost 8k, right. So my risk has been increased for today, so I have only taken 2 lots. And after that, what I have done is, once market came to 36,750, I decided to take, let me take 36,800, because the time is almost at 1 and 1:30. So I thought the markets won't move that much. So let me take 36,800 call and put options, straddles, and it has given me a fantastic profit of almost 7k, as you can see here. That is the video guys. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.